In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iPhone photo settings. We will walk through the key camera options that actually change how your pictures look and how large the files are. Once settings is open, you will see the standard list of app and system options, usually starting with your Apple ID at the top. If you have many apps installed, you might need to scroll a little to reach the camera entry further down the list. Tap Camera. The camera settings screen opens, with sections such as Formats, Preserve Settings, and Composition. Think of this page as the control panel for how the camera app behaves every time you take a photo. You do not need the camera app open while you change these. Tap Formats. On this screen, you will see options such as High Efficiency and Most Compatible near the top. On some newer models, there may also be a setting related to resolution or Pro options, which affects how detailed your photos can be. Choose High Efficiency for smaller photo files or Most Compatible for JPEG-style compatibility. On supported models, you can also adjust the default photo resolution. High Efficiency uses formats like HEIF that keep good quality in smaller sizes, which helps if your storage is nearly full. Most Compatible uses JPEG, which works better with older computers and some websites. If you see resolution choices, a higher number keeps more detail but makes each photo take more space. Go back to Camera and check Photographic Styles. From the main camera settings page, find the Photographic Styles section, which might show a small preview thumbnail. When you tap it, you should see style names such as Standard, Rich Contrast, Vibrant, Warm and Cool. If your photos look unusually warm, cool, bright, or dark, reset the photographic style to Standard if that option is available. Tap Standard once, then leave the screen. Standard gives a neutral look that suits most scenes, and it is a good base if you are troubleshooting strange color tints or heavy contrast. Check Preserve Settings if you want the camera app to remember settings such as your last used mode or controls. Inside Preserve Settings, you will see switches like Camera Mode, Creative Controls, Exposure Adjustment, or others, depending on your model. Turning a switch on tells the camera app to start next time with the same choice you used before, which saves time if you always prefer a certain mode. If available on your iPhone, review options such as Grid, Lens Correction, and View Outside the Frame under Settings and Camera. The Grid option helps you line up horizons and keep subjects centered. Lens Correction can slightly adjust photos from the ultra-wide lens so straight lines look more natural. View Outside the Frame lets you preview a bit more than will be captured, which can help you reframe before you tap the shutter. Quick troubleshooting. If all your new photos suddenly have an unusual color or look, check Settings and Camera and Photographic Styles first. If you are trying to improve photo quality, check Settings and Camera and Formats and the available resolution options. You have now tuned your iPhone photo settings for better quality, colors, and file sizes that match how you actually shoot. If this helped you clean up your photos, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple iPhone fixes.